Once you sign into your account, if you are a new user, this is what it will look like. This is what your screen will look like. Prezi's folder. This is how you begin a new Prezi. If you have used the site before and you scroll down, you will see that all of the Prezis that you have made in the past are saved on this screen. So if you ever need them, all that you have to do is log into your account and your presentations that you have created previously should be available. So if you are new to this, to begin a new Prezi, you simply click on the New Prezi button. A new screen will appear. After it loads, you will see that you have the option to choose from a variety of different templates. Okay, so they have ones that people have been using more frequently. If you click on the More button and scroll through the options, you will see that there are quite a few that you can choose from depending on the type of presentation that you want to create. If you are scrolling through and you don't find a template that you like or that fits the theme that you're kind of going for, you can always start from a blank template. So if you choose to start from a blank template, you simply click on that, hit the button Use Template, and once it loads, this screen will appear. This is how you begin. Okay, so you simply click to add your text. You can title it anything you want to. Okay, you can change the font size, the presentation of how the font looks. You can change the color. You can change it to bold, italics. Right, again, you can change the font type. So you'll see that there are a lot of different features that are available for this type of presentation. Okay. If you come down here, again, you can add bullet points to type out your text. If you are familiar with PowerPoint, this technology is very similar to PowerPoint, but it is kind of a revamped version. Okay, so you make your presentations online, and then you can go through them that way. A nice feature that I like about Prezi is that it automatically saves your work. Okay, so you can save it yourself, or every minute it saves your work. So if you're really busy creating a presentation and you forget to save and you exit out, you don't have to worry about all of your information being lost because Prezi automatically saves your work for you. If you are happy with your first slide, to create another slide, you simply go up here to the circle with the plus sign in it, and it adds a new frame. You can add as many frames as you want to. You can drag the frames around to form a certain look. So that's another cool feature of Prezi, is that you can really tweak it to fit your particular style. With the pre-made templates, you are also allowed to tweak the path that the presentation goes. You can move the circles around if you need to. Okay, so if you click on that circle, it jumps to it. Okay, again, you can create a title, create as much text as you want. Okay, if you jump to the next one, so on and so forth. If you would like to insert an image or a video or maybe a picture that you have saved to your computer, this is where you would come to do something such as that. So you can insert images, videos, right? You can draw lines to the different circles, you can highlight, you can add music, which I know is a great feature, especially in the classroom. Kids really seem to enjoy visuals, especially with sound, so that is a fantastic feature. You can customize. Okay, if you're not happy or if you're finished, over here is where you would exit the presentation. So when you have finished editing your presentation, okay, and you are ready to go through it and make sure that everything makes sense, up here you will find a present button. So if you click on that, you will see that it asks if you want to allow a full screen, which is fine. You can see that this is how you can present to different audiences, and you simply navigate through the screens using the arrow buttons on the keyboard. You can move through presentations as quick as you want to, as slow as you want to. Again, you can insert multiple images, multiple videos. Okay. If we exit out of this one, it should take us back to our home screen. Right. So you can, again, scroll down, see the different ones that you've created. Right, you'll see that this one is always saved. You can download it, which is a feature that a lot of people like about this presentation type, is that you can download a finished presentation and present from any device. It does not have to be hooked up to the internet, which is always fantastic. You can create copies to send to colleagues. Students can create copies to send one to the teacher so the teacher has it. That is another great feature. You can also share your presentations. You can embed them. Again, this is public. Okay. So those are some of the features. Once you have a Prezi account, these are some of the features that are available to you.